Hello, everyone. I'm here as a fellow cell phone repair store owner, and I want to share something that can truly benefit all of us, a marketplace designed to boost traffic to our repair shops. Think about it, a platform where potential customers can easily discover us based on their needs. It's like having a billboard on the busiest street in town, working around the clock 24/7. In this marketplace, customers can search for any repair service they need, and guess what? They will find you. They can check out your reviews and even book an appointment on the spot. It's a game changer, and it's all about increasing your visibility and attracting more customers. Now, you might be wondering, well, what's in it for me? Well, my friends, more traffic means more business, and more business means growth. This marketplace is your ticket to expansion and success in our competitive industry. So let's seize this opportunity together, join this marketplace, and together we can reshape how people perceive and experience cell phone repair services. We're not just repair shops, we're a community, and together we can make a significant impact.